What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a bloom pour. But I woke up and I was feeling really patriotic. I'm not sure why. 4th of July is come and gone. But this is the colors I'm using. So I have titanium white. I have unbleached titanium. I have a ultramarine blue. This is a beautiful metallic blue. And then a light blue that still has some bubbles in it. I try to mix these colors a day in advance, but today was one of them spur of the moment things. Then I have a deep red. I think that's cadmium red, medium hue, and then this is a primary red, and then this is a fluorescent red. So what I'm thinking of doing is a tri-swipe, like you've seen in the past from me, in different color bands, so creating gradients of different colors. So with that, yeah, hey, we're gonna get right into it. So last night I had my really cool class event, like kind of a sip and pour. We had wine and we had 13 people come out to the course, or not really the course. It was a very informal kind of get together, paint with Johnny type thing. It was awesome though. I met a whole bunch of new people in the community and, you know, helped them mix their paints, kind of explain the process a little bit to them. We had a couple people that went that were really familiar, and that was cool. And then we had people that had, you know, self-proclaimed zero artistic ability and were very intimidated by the process, which was awesome because when they painted, I'll put something on the screen of some of the paintings they did. When they finished, some of them were so excited that they were like hooping and hollering in the class because they had gotten something really cool. And for me, that was such an awesome feeling, really, to see other people being able to express themselves creatively was just amazing to me. Okay, so I hope everyone's doing amazing today. I'm doing really well. I'm feeling really happy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do 3 bands of different colors. I'm gonna start losing some of this pillow, so I gotta work quicker. But 3 bands, and I already know that these colors do stretch quite considerably. So there's the unbleached titanium or unbleached white. Put a small amount of titanium white over it, and then we'll work on the blue. Yeah, but last night was just a phenomenal experience. I was so grateful to be able to be part of that because it's just so much fun. Kind of like, I don't want to say infecting people with the bug of acrylic pouring, but it is kind of what it was. And it was awesome. So all these colors are mixed to my normal bloom recipe. I'll try to put a card and a link in the description to that video, so if you want to do this yourself, with one caveat. I think in the video, when I made the video, the Sherwin-Williams was available. It is no longer available, so now you're gonna have to use the Behr 8300 from Home Depot. But that's the only change. The proportions all stay exactly the same. And with that, are we ready? I think we're ready. I hope this comes out okay. So let's start with the center portion. I already got my paper towels at the ready. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do a smaller swipe in there, aren't I? Let's see, do I have a small strip? I do not. Okay. Well, adapt and overcome, Johnny. All right, let's take some of this red, and we took some blue with us, which actually that doesn't look bad. It's got like that little cloudy mist of blue beneath those reds. And I didn't think about it, but since I'm using a white house paint, you see the white. I gotta blow and pop that bubble. There it goes. All right. So let's see. Let's see if we can just trail maybe there you go. Small section. I wanted most of that blue to go down in that direction. Now I'm free to mess with this unbleached titanium and white. There it goes. All right. But this is a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped canvas. I'm starting to really like the gallery wrapped ones because they are so much larger. All I'm doing right now is trying to center it because I know that all these colors are gonna spread out. But yeah, recently I've been using gallery wrap canvases, and I don't know if some of y'all are interested in using those. I had a good friend tell me about Michael's Pro, and you can buy gallery wrapped canvases in bulk. So normally these 12 by 12s are, I think, like $25 each or something crazy. Well, if you go to Michael's Pro on their website and you buy them in bulk, I think these canvases ended up being $8 or $9 each. So you can buy a set of 12 or something. So that's what I did, and I'm happy about it because now I got a whole ton of canvases to work with. All right, let me clean this up just a little bit. All right, we ready? I think it's centered enough. Yeah, it is kind of. All right, here we go. A gentle spin. It doesn't take much to open these colors up, so you don't have to be crazy rough with it. That white kind of blends in with the white house paint, but that unbleached titanium white kind of gives it a little bit of contrast from the background, which is cool. All right, let's see. I'm trying to grab it without messing up. All right. Look at those. I wish I could keep those, but I'm certain those are going to go away. Oh, man. All right. Slightly more forceful spin. That looks really wicked. And we're keeping some of those blue cells. And then, because it's a gallery wrap canvas, it's got a good 1.5 inches to work down the sides too, which I also love about gallery wrapped canvases. Wow, okay. So this came out pretty wicked. Really did too. That's cool. I should have swiped this whole area and this whole area in the beige. But you live and learn, you experiment and you learn what works and you learn what doesn't. And for me, I mean, I like this. I think it's really cool looking. I like it a lot. I'm torn between if I want to spin it one final time, but I don't want to lose these blue red cells there. Those are really cool. And then this light blue, dark blue gradient. This will be fine. I'm not going to lose any of that because it's still got a little space. I would like to push this further off, but there's no guarantees that that's going to happen. Yes or no, yes or no? Yeah, I'm going to do it. Okay, let's do it. One more. And this will be the final spin. I think it already spun a lot of that off. And the good part about spinning it off also is the layer of paint will be thinner and help prevent it from cracking or crazing, which That is the goal, right? You know what? That works just fine. I like that. This works. Looks really cool. That looks really cool, actually. All right. Now with that, I'm gonna just not waste any time, bring you guys down. We're all gonna check this thing out because it's flippin' awesome. So here's all that striking, really defined lacing and cells in that unbleached white. And then over here, if you see it in the right light, the camera doesn't do it that much justice, but you can see the metallic shimmer in it. Beautiful blues. Coming over here to this really deep, gorgeous red with the, see the blue, multicolored red and blue cells right there. And then you can see it travels down the side. It's got that whole 1.5 inches, which is gorgeous. I would love this one.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.